Academic, cultural, and mentoring experiences of Upward Bound students. This is a project presented by Bobby E. Roberts Jr. All right, who is Bobby E. Roberts Jr.? He's a student-focused leader. He's fiscally minded. He has over 20 years in student services. He's a staunch TRIO programs advocate. He is a trainer and facilitator. Okay, background. He will share, and I will share the historical significance of Upward Bound. Three notable services are supplemental tutorial, cultural awareness, and mentoring. What is Upward Bound? Upward Bound is an educational program that is created to assist first generation students, basically allowing them equal footing as they prepare for the transition to college. All right, the three terms operationalized, supplemental tutorial. These are services to impact the educational aspect of the Upward Bound program. Cultural awareness is basically providing the students with information regarding varying cultures as well as themselves. And mentoring, this is support and encouragement to support students with their soft skills. So basically giving them guidance to be prepared for what lies ahead. All right, the theoretical framework that I selected is Aston's IEO model. And the purpose of this model is to assess the impact of various environmental experiences. So I will be looking to see what three services that the students participated in. How did those activities, those themes of activities, supported them with their college success? The statement of the problem determined to which extent Upward Bound prepares students for college success via three particular services that the program provides. Purpose statement. The purpose of this qualitative study is to determine the extent in which supplemental tutorial services, access to cultural awareness opportunities, and supplemental mentoring activities as a participant in the Upward Bound program assist with the transition to college. All right, these are the three research questions. I'm looking to see if supplemental tutorial impacted that adjustment. Did cultural awareness impact the college experience and the adjustment to college, as well as supplemental mentoring, and how did that influence the adjustment to college? The significance of this study is to expand research on academic and supplemental support, bring awareness to pre-college programming, and also personal interest of myself. This is the research design that I look to interview 6 participants and take their responses through this chain and synthesize the information to share in this phenomenological study. And thank you for listening.